3-pin CB power cord, 2-wire 16-gauge heavy-duty copper wire. Used to replace power cord on most CB radios. Fits Cobra 25, 29 148, Galaxy, Midland, Uniden, Connex, RCI, Ranger, Mirage and most others using the 3-pin plug. Built-in fused cigarette lighter plug with green LED indicator. Power your CB radio from any lighter accessory socket. Dual spring contacts in cigarette lighter adapter for maximum conductivity. Top reviews from the United States. Has heavier gauge wires than the cheap ones. This power cord has heavier gauge wires than the cheaper ones do. The plug fit my older 40-channel Teaberry T-Charlie snugly as it should. It's a standard power cord for a CB radio. The quality seems to be excellent also. If you are replacing a power cord on a CB radio that uses this style of power plug, this is the one you want.